Hello everyone. Welcome to Spoken English Daily. In this video, we are going to learn basic English grammar in a very simple and easy way. This is specially made for beginners. Let's get started. What is grammar? Grammar is the set of rules that helps us speak and write correctly in English. When your grammar is correct, your English becomes clear and strong. It's like the foundation of a building. Strong grammar means strong English. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete meaning. For example, she is dancing. This is a complete sentence because it gives a full idea. Every sentence has two parts. 1. Subject, who or what the sentence is about. 2. Predicate, what is being said about the subject. Example. Ram is reading. Ram is the subject. Is reading is the predicate. Types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. Assertive sentence gives information. Example, he is my brother. Interrogative sentence asks a question. Example, are you coming? Imperative sentence gives command or request. Example, please sit down. Exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling. Example, what a beautiful place. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Everything we see or talk about is usually a noun. Examples. Person, ram, teacher, doctor. Place, school, city, park. Animal, dog, cat, lion becomes. Thing, book, pen, phone. Idea, honesty, love, freedom. Types of nouns. 1. Proper noun, specific name of a person or place. Example, Ravi, India, Sunday. 2. Common noun, general name of a person or place or thing. Example, boy, country, day. 3. Collective noun, group of people or things. Example, team, class, family. 4. Abstract noun, qualities, ideas, feelings. Example, happiness, truth, beauty. 5. Material noun, substances or materials. Example, gold, water, sugar. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. It helps avoid repeating the same noun again and again. Examples. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Ravi is my friend. He is smart. Types of pronouns. 1. Personal pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Example, she is a doctor. 2. Possessive pronouns, my, your, his, her, their, our. Example, this is my book. 3. Reflexive pronouns, myself, yourself, himself. Example, I did it myself. 4. Demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those. Example, this is my pen. 5. Interrogative pronouns, who, what, which. Example, who is he? Noun versus pronoun, quick practice. Ronnie is a teacher. Noun. She teaches English. Pronoun. Verbs. A verb is a word that shows an action or a state of being. It tells us what the subject is doing or how the subject is. Examples, she runs fast. I am happy. They are playing. Runs, am, and are our verbs. Tenses. Tense tells us when an action happens, in the present, past, or future. Let's look at an example. Present tense, I eat mangoes. Past tense, I ate mangoes. Future tense, I will eat mangoes. Another example. He goes to school. Present. He went to school. Past. He will go to school. Future. Articles, a, and, the. Articles are small words used before nouns. Used before words that start with consonants. N. Used before words that start with vowels, A, E, I, O, U. The. Used when we talk about something specific. Examples: a boy, an apple, the sun, the moon. Sentence: the sun is bright. Prepositions. Prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. They often show place, time, or direction. Examples: the book is on the table. The pen is in the box. The bag is under the chair. On, in, and under are prepositions. Adjectives, words that describe. Adjectives are words that describe a noun. They tell us more about a person, place, animal, or thing. Examples: a beautiful flower, a tall man, a cold drink, a fast car. In each sentence, the adjective describes the noun. Beautiful describes the flower. Tall describes the man. Cold describes the drink. Fast describes the car. Sentence: she has a small dog. Here, small is an adjective. Conjunctions, joining words. Conjunctions are words that join two words or two sentences. They help us connect ideas. Common conjunctions are and, but, or, because, so. Examples: 1. I like apples and bananas. 2. He is tall but slow. 3. Do you want tea or coffee? 4. She didn't come because she was sick. 5. I was tired, so I went to sleep. Conjunctions make sentences smoother and easier to understand. Making questions, how to ask correctly. Asking questions is important in daily conversation. Let's learn how to form simple questions using question words. Common question words: what, when, where, why, who, how. Examples: what is your name? Where do you live? When will you come? Why are you sad? Who is your teacher? How are you? Another type, yes or no questions. Structure: do, does, did, will plus subject plus verb. Examples: do you like coffee? Does he play cricket? Did they go to school? Will she come tomorrow? Sentence structure. Now let's learn how to build correct sentences in English. A basic sentence has this structure: subject plus verb plus object. Example: I eat mangoes. Subject: I. Verb: eat. Object: mangoes. Another example: she is reading a book. Subject: she. Verb: is reading. Object: a book. Let's see some more correct sentence structures. 1. They play football. 2. We are watching TV. 3. He writes a letter. 4. The baby is crying. Thanks for watching this English grammar series. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Spoken English Daily.